Picture this: golden, crispy French fries, glistening with oil, served in a familiar fast food container. For many, this is a daily indulgence, a quick, satisfying snack. But what seems harmless can silently escalate. A single large weeks pass, and the scale tells a story the mirror can't ignore. Our once carefree fry enthusiast now stares at rising numbers, a 5-pound increase in just 2 months. Research shows that daily fried food intake correlates with a 37% higher risk of obesity. The camera lingers on their reflection, tighter clothes, a faint frown. The bathroom's neutral tiles and modern scale ground the scene in reality. This isn't about vanity, it's about health. The World Health Organization warns that obesity escalates risks for diabetes and heart disease. The message is clear: small habits compound. A clinic visit reveals the hard truth. The doctor points to a nutrition chart highlighting saturated fats in fried foods. Just one serving of fries can contain 15% of your daily fat allowance, they explain. Studies in the Journal of Nutrition link trans fats, common in frying oils, to inflammation and insulin resistance. The chart's red circle around a fry icon drives the point home. The sterile clinic setting, white coats, a blood pressure cuff, underscores the medical urgency. Switch to baking, not frying, advises the doctor, handing over a pamphlet. Knowledge is power, but action is key. Enter oven-baked fries, a game changer. Our protagonist now slices potatoes, lightly coats them in olive oil, just 1 tablespoon per serving, and pops them into a modern oven. Baking cuts calories by 50% compared to frying, per USDA data. The kitchen scene is aspirational, yet achievable. Stainless steel appliances, a timer beeping, and a bowl of rosemary for seasoning. A 2021 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that baked alternatives reduce acrylamide, a carcinogen in fried foods, by 90%. The aroma of paprika and garlic fills the air. Change tastes good. The final scene contrasts past and present. On the left, crumpled fast food wrappers. On the right, a vibrant plate of baked fries with avocado dip. Our protagonist jogs in a park, energized, holding a reusable container of their new favorite snack. The CDC affirms that small dietary swaps, paired with activity, lower obesity risks by 22%. The sunlight filters through trees, casting a hopeful glow. This isn't deprivation, it's elevation. The tagline appears: love fries? Bake them. Your body will thank you. The cycle breaks here with a crunch that doesn't compromise.